Hey, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and we are here today with some really cool stuff from Two Wheel Tactical. What this is you can see there's a lot of bags, and a lot of bags hold a lot of stuff. There's holsters, there's magazine holders, there's sunglass holders, phone holders, first aid kit, tourniquet, tool case, and a bunch of other cool accoutrements you put on there. And what happens is they put them on these. This is a Molle panel that goes into a bagger saddlebag. And one for each side, or you could put one just in one side. And what also is really cool is you could put them against the bag back and Molle all your stuff on one side. Or what I do is I take one of these and I put Molle on each side. So what I would do is easy stuff I need to get to, my holster, first aid kit, things like that. And then on the other side, I would put my toolkit, sunglasses case, phone case. I mean, they got many more items, but what I do, and then it has a handy handle and you just grab it out of your bag and take it in your house or take it into your hotel room or condo or whatever, and then stick it right back in. What I really like about this stuff is you can organize it so you can prioritize what you need to get to at a moment's notice, if you know what I mean. Definitely with your holsters and your extra magazines, but even your IFAK and your tourniquet and things like that, and you're not fumbling around in the bottom of your bag like I have done so many times for tools and things like that. So man, really cool stuff indeed. And you know, I'm gonna show you right now how all this stuff bolts on. Now the Two Wheel Tactical Molle bags have been attached to the Molle panels, you can definitely see it better, kind of the format of what they are doing and how easily organized all this stuff is. Like, you know, you got a small multi-pocket for your keys or money or something, a holster with a magazine holder, yet another single magazine holder, first aid kit, tourniquet, big tool box with tools on the outside. You got pepper spray, flashlight, a knife, some good stuff right here, you know, a little bit of some other stuff, a lighter. Got a big knife right here, and of course, eyeglass holder. So this is when it's done single-sided. I'm gonna pick this up right now, put this over here, and you can actually bolt this both to the same panel. So it's like this, and it fits in your saddlebag like so with a single panel. Or you can do one panel in each, whatever you wanna do pretty much, you can do. That's what's so cool about this. It's pretty modular, and everybody's got different needs and different bikes, so Two Wheel Tactical really hit the nail on the head with these products for sure. You can check them out on vtwinvisionary.com. We are actually working with them on getting them out there on our website, and maybe they'll be a distributor sometime soon, or maybe we'll just keep jamming it out with them. So Two Wheel Tactical, V-Twin Visionary, V-Twin Daily.